Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Good morning. So guys, I'm here to pick up me. Escort her to Trench Town. You know it goes. Yes guys, so blessed morning. Hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are. Welcome back to Kino Life in Jamaica. Thank you so much for watching. Wow. It's a blessed morning, you know, nice, sun is bright, place, Jamaica is looking so beautiful, especially down by the waterfront. The place is so nice. So guys, if you're overseas watching, you never been to the waterfront, coming to Jamaica, you never been to the waterfront, whenever you come to Jamaica, you need to take and look down, you need to get the experience of the waterfront, you know, you need to come here, have a morning walk and everything. The water over there and everything. Hey, it's nice here to come and chill. It's very nice. So guys, remember, thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. And if you're watching and you haven't put the thumbs up, you can go ahead and put the thumbs up, guys, because I'm on the road to 100. So remember, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, you know. Wow. You hear that car there loud? That car is low with a big muffler on it. Yes guys, so subscribe if you haven't subscribed. You know, if you don't know, ask a family to show you. You know, ask someone to show you. And hope you're having a wonderful day sitting in your living room or in your bed, or you're on your phone walking, or you're driving. No, but don't drive and watch. You can listen. Yeah guys, so stay tuned. I'm here to pick up D. I'm gonna escort her. I'm bringing her to Trench Town today to meet up with the guys and Esther. You know, she meet up with her Esther. You know the thing goes already when she's going to meet up with Esther. So let's go inside. She's in the lobby waiting.
You're not
Waiting still. Where will she be? Just like this. Wow, inside the rock is nice. Here's where you get breakfast. Hey, where you at? Huh? Well, 3 said 10:30. I thought we'd have been downstairs. Oh, God, let me try. I remember my dog got the key to get up in the lift, so. Yeah, I'm at the lift, but yeah. If you press, come on the lift and press 8, it will bring you up, I guess. Alright, someone's coming. Let's see, hold on. Someone's coming. Ah, bless you. Blessed. Yeah? I'll put the fire on it. There you go. it look different for you. We don't need no commotion. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Alright. What is the demo I'm gonna knock? Hello. Greetings.
Blessed fire.
Blessings, mama.
Something here.
Blessings, mama.
Blessed fire.
You ready to evac?
Of course.
They're gonna evict you.
Greetings, guys. You making a vlog? Okay, let me. The best lighting is from this side. Yeah. Hey guys. Wow, go on, me there. Felicia says me there. Anyway guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back. Okay, so for those who are new here, my name is Dee Mwango from Kenya, and welcome to Jamaica. My skin kind of looks kind of whitish because of the sunscreen. I put some sunscreen on it.
Oh, yeah.
Because you know the tingo. If you don't know, you soon know. The sunscreen is a must.
She's getting white out, guys. You know?
No, white because of the white of the sunscreen.
I know, but I'm just making fun of it, guys. She's getting white because she was in Europe. You know,
The cold.
so she get white out. She was in Europe. She get white out, but look, she's not bleaching. It's just white.
I can never think of that. Honestly, I love my skin melanin so much. Honestly, there's nothing good like being a black woman. Sorry to say, but I don't mean anything serious, but it's a blessing to be a black woman. And so proud I am. You know the tingle. But now, because of the weather, you know, when you go to Europe and it's so cold, of course, you know, the sun is not getting you, so you kind of get light in a way.
Yes.
But it's a blessing to be a black woman.
Yeah, that is it.
Yeah.
It's a blessing. But wow, I like
Honestly,
your view.
and all the ladies who are watching and they're black, please don't bleach out your skin to be white. Honestly, that's the worst mistake you can ever do to yourself.
Cheers. Wow, Dee, I like your view.
Yeah, it's nice though.
I like your view, boy. Beautiful.
Yeah. It's so good. But honestly, I need the beach now. I feel so good even dressing like this because, hey, in Europe, I could be well covered.
You have a thick jacket.
Yeah, with a running nose.
Running nose.
So cold. Drinking water.
Hot tea, hot water.
Everywhere, all the time. Okay,
But the weather is nice outside though.
Yeah, the weather is really nice.
Really nice. I'm not lying. Jamaica is just blessed.
Yeah, it's so good. The view, everything, the weather. Wow. And today, I don't know. Today it doesn't look like the sun is out like full force. Oh,
the sun
this
is
morning.
No,
Today
the sun
it's
is
really
out.
chill.
No, the sun is out, but it's behind the clouds, a slightly thin cloud.
It's not burning today.
No,
It's
for
so
now,
chill today.
For now, you know, it's gonna come out that cloud, and when it comes out that cloud, you're gonna be screaming.
Doesn't have my sunscreen on, so like, just in case.
So she have on the sunscreen.
I'm good.
Yes, guys. So thank you so much and welcome back. We're here at the top, you know, looking down.
Yeah.
That is it. So we're here to evacuate Dee Mwango.
I'm leaving.
You know, you see on board.
I'm ready.
Go on board.
Jamaica.
Him give you back your money as yet, Bolt? No?
Not yet.
Not yet. Him said no, but he just holding on to his goal.
Yeah.
You know? Hold on, said, Dee is ready, you're packed.
Yeah, I packed already.
So you're leaving on the next plane?
Yeah. Yup, guys.
We
So,
coming.
time to leave. I have a whole heap of bags.
Hit the road, Jack.
Wow. Go nowhere.
It's true.
They don't travel. Tourists know so many places than them.
Yeah.
So they have no money to go nowhere.
Come. All this.
When you go next, you go to Greentown. For you? Okay, guys, we are outside. Time to go back to my favorite my favorite home in Kingston. Do you guys know the place? Hey, you don't know the tingo, you soon know.
Our favorite place.
My favorite place.
Favorite.
5 rides.
5 right?
Yes.
5 right.
Out of many, 1 people. Like they are so. Anyways, it has been a nice place. Yep, I enjoyed my stay, guys. And now time to go back home.
Home?
Of course.
Trench
Time
Town?
to go back. Of course. Enough is enough of the hotel.
She have 2 homes. She have Jamaica and Trench Town. Wow.
Of course.
We're gonna...
Not enough of the hotel. I need now to go back home.
Home. In the village. Trench Town is the village. Is a concrete village. You take her back to the Trench concrete village. But look, it's so nice, right?
It's so beautiful. Honestly, wow, Jamaica is nice. Jamaica is beautiful.
We're just looking, you know.
Hey, look at the view. Honestly.
If you like to walk, you know, over here, it's so nice. So nice, I'm not lying.
Lamborghini.
Jamaica is something else, you know. Beautiful. All you need in Jamaica is just money, and you trust me,
all the luxury.
and you will be feeling good, you know. If I can find food to eat, I can move around.
That's it.
It will be so nice in Jamaica, you know. You can
leave.
do what you want to do. Find all the excursions them that you want to do. Go to the beach, go to the river, you know, cook with our vibes. Yes, relax like, just, come on, let's live a life. So guys, so we're going to head into the TT.
Of course, Trench Town.
Trinidad and Tobago. Let me say TT.
Trinidad and Tobago.
Yeah, the TT is Trench Town. We're going to head in today, guys. So you know how the thing go.
Come along with us.
That is it. No, we never get to go up there.
Alright.
Yeah.
You can reach from a couple places well.
Oh, never get to go last night.
Tonight things are going still.
Same way.
Yeah, same way.
Big up, man. Respect, man.
See how it's
Yes. Go on, man. We'll try and check it out, definitely. Yeah, definitely.
I'm there till Carnival weekend.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
I'll get no partner.
Alright then, cool. That guy, so stop here downtown. On the way to Trench Town, we stop here because B want to get some things to go and cook. You know, if you're out already, she likes to cook. She come out the way. So we stop here in the market. We're Captain
Right now
Bakery.
it's so cheap, $100 a pound.
Yeah.
Hey, guys, the last time I heard that a pound was, I don't know, 300 or something.
Hello. Is these are the pound? The?
No, let's get those ones.
You don't want these on the bags already?
The ones in the bags already?
Yeah, these are for $100.
And those ones?
The same, she would just weigh them.
No, let's pick for ourselves.
Alright.
Let me get one.
I have 100 and I have 150.
100 for some salad.
Yeah.
This is good for salad.
Can you just wait one second to get some change? You can change this? 2,000? I don't want to take away all your change.
You just buy from her?
Alright then, if you can change it.
Thank you.
Thank you as well, yeah, thank you.
Darling, pepper.
Alright. Mummy. Look.
You have a Lamborghini. Or you just saying
We get a pound.
you look so sexy, baby. I'm asking if you have a Lamborghini.
You want pound or 2 pounds?
3 pounds.
3
So
pounds.
we can keep-
Pick it up, pick up the one that you want then.
So that we can keep some in the house. Big ones? Yeah, big ones. Big pound.
That's what, $300, right?
Imagine last time when I was in Ochi, it was 450 plus in December. Right now it looks like things have gone down. It's the season, right, Mama? Yeah.
Big up, blessings, uncle, blessings.
Wow, guys, so it's the season.
Love all the time, right?
Every time.
Only love and love alone. Jamaica show the most love, but if they want them can show the most hate, right?
If they want to,
If they
Okay,
want.
it's okay, no
literally
problem.
that's go on.
Right, no.
Understand?
Understand. But we're full of love same way.
Yeah.
But sometimes they want to hold it back to show the run.
$100 pound, let him walk and get from somebody else.
Yeah, for what?
The
Carrot. Alright.
Want a carrot? 200. Angela.
Yeah, let's get it.
That's 2 pounds.
They look tough. I need the like soft ones to even chew.
You want to change it?
Daddy, hello.
I want like the soft ones to chew. Let's get one of these as well. Two. How do you call this, Pino?
Kellyanne.
Kellyanne. You don't have this in Kenya. This is not
And time. Where's the time? Just go with the time. And it's Kellyanne.
We're taking these as well.
Ask her where the time is. Time?
Oh, it's here.
Can yeah.
Oh, look at it.
That's a small one. You want a small one?
Is that the carrot?
No. You want to take the carrot? Go down.
3. You want a carrot?
Business.
No, no.
Nice and lettuce add in 100.
Oh, now give him the one.
No, I already get
Oh,
already.
she's not the one.
No, we have the pair.
Thank you. That's the change?
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Mama. And we also have sweets. We have I use this. We call this
Capchow.
Capchow, yeah. How you selling, Mama? $100.
Want to get one?
Not one. I need a lot. Oh, this one is already in the bag.
Yeah.
This is for
100.
100?
Yeah.
Wow! Right now, like it's so cheap. Unbelievable. You know, I used to buy this like almost 1,000 in Ochi. Right now, I can't believe it's 100.
Mummy have really want to look a while ago. Like say, another. You want another one?
No, that is it.
All right.
Wow! I can't believe, guys.
All right,
a lot
thanks, yeah,
has
Mummy.
changed. What?
Look, some Irish here.
Oh yeah. Let's get some ice.
Are you?
Wow, go on, if I.
Oh, you saw the Irish uncle?
2 bills a pound. Yeah, man, we're great.
All right.
Great. Big up, man. Big up, man. Big up.
2 pounds then.
Okay.
2 pounds.
Two bills a pound.
I like how this looks pretty, man. I like. Are you from this?
No, I buy them.
Unbelievable. Yeah, this is so expensive right there for wow, even this, the price is so good right now.
Things sometimes probably change. By the time you left,
Yeah.
I'm back. Things change.
Tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
That is it. I think maybe I need. Okay, maybe I'll come by again. That is it for now. For
That
the
change?
QP. That is 2 bills.
200.
200.
Oh, 400.
Yes,
Okay, 400. All right.
Guys, these are big ones, so.
Yeah, these are big. It's okay. It's all right. Wow. Life is getting sweeter in Jamaica.
Here's the peas.
The peas.
Yeah.
There's no yellow peas.
Yellow.
Thank you, boss.
Yellow. I wish peas that we get the last. I wish yellow one there.
There were yellow peas.
You have was it yellow? B. Which yellow one?
No, we got from your auntie down there.
Oh, that's bad.
Chocolate, the green one.
Yeah, they look like green.
Oh, there's none here.
Yeah.
One red. That's corn.
Hey, this is so good to cook with garlic.
Some porridge.
Porridge? Wow.
I'm in the corn porridge.
All right, then let's look for the other one. If we don't get, we'll be back, all right?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Carrots.
Yeah, but soft ones that I can also chew. Life is getting better because now really affordable. Hey, I miss plantain as well.
Happiness until you want to it away.
Carrot. Look at this carrot. This carrot look better.
They look young?
Yeah, this one will look better.
Okay. Yeah, the one we can chew. All right then.
Oh, it's sell the carrots. A pound? Much one?
All right. 1.
1 pound?
What do you think?
Let me see what 1 pound is first.
That's it. We'll come and buy again. And maybe a piece of...
Just a pound? Look, callaloo. You want callaloo still?
Oh, of course, but but I want to go chop by myself.
Oh, you want to cut it?
Yeah.
You have one way not cut up yet? How much you say again?
And you also need sweet pepper. You need sweet pepper as well.
Sweet pepper? Yes, sweet pepper. Yes. How you sell it? Shoot. Yeah, them one nice.
I have more down here. Yeah, I want the green fresh one. Alright, that is it. Yeah, even sweet pepper right now is better price. I'm telling you guys, I'm so surprised. Life has really changed. Yeah, I'm like, everything I'm buying right now is almost quarter price the prices that I used to buy.
Give thanks. You're a continue. You have a general? Big up, man. Yeah. Red onion.
Hey, suppose I'm about to get sick again. Good food. Even sweet potatoes in the morning, so good.
You have red onion or red onion? Purple.
Purple, yeah.
No red onion. No red onion.
Oh, you know, we are going to get the beans at your auntie.
Up the close.
Okay, then we'll just get the red beans then.
Yeah. She's not out on Sunday. Oh. Oh, you sell it? Where a pound? No?
Where did you see that?
I'm not come.
You must port. Come on.
And then we way go a country.
A pound of the red onion.
You know what, man?
No. When you come back around.
Alex, wait!
We're getting some red onions. What's a pound?
Here.
How much?
20 this hour.
Yeah. Oh, you buy it already? Yeah. You're planting? No planting. Oh, alright then, yeah? You're getting some orange?
Wow, you know, life is so wow. If I remember what I used to buy in Ochi, 600. Wow. Yeah, all of this right now is 600. Wow, for the oranges. Before I left for home, trust, I bought this almost 2,000, 3,000 for like.
Can't change it.
Wow. Life right now is so good.
I only have 500, that moment will change. Maybe change?
Yeah, 5 bills.
Oh yeah, give me a bills. She says 6. Can't change the $1,000. Just give me the change. Huh? Alright, thanks.
Hold on.
You know, you got the red.
How much you say, mommy? 6 bills. Okay.
Yeah, I want to come down and come cool it down.
So you have to get them 6 bills now. 6 shop them one day.
Hold him soon come.
Alright, come be.
You know, you got the purple onion.
Yeah.
What about the garlic?
Garlic? Garlic, yeah.
Really affordable. Wow, I'm like,
Yeah.
yo. When I left, honestly, life was like something else. Today, what do you think, Kino?
Yeah, it's much better.
Yeah, it's much better. Everything is half price.
Yeah.
I can't believe it. There's a pound of
It's
tomatoes.
the half price season.
Yeah, half price season. When I left, 1 pound of tomatoes
I'm a general.
450. Right now it's 100. What? Huh? What?
Okay, it's okay.
So we shopped a lot, guys. I'll be cooking today. I wanna get back thick. Let me eat some banana. Let me cook
Take it out.
some.
Yeah.
Alright guys, let's go. But that was really a nice shopping and a lot of things. I'm so surprised.
Yes, guys. So that is it. We just went. Hey, it's not out. Sorry, it's hot. It wasn't that busy today, so we easily go in and out. Get what we want quick and fast, and now we're gonna head out now. So Dee can go and cook her pot. You know, she wanna cook. You know, she wanna go cook. You know all the thing now. So yes, guys, you know it goes already. So remember, hey, stay and watch watch what's going on. You know. So Dee's gonna cook. So I'm gonna drop her. Listen. All right.
Yes, I'm alright.
Yeah, change.
Yeah, sure.
Respect, yeah.
Yes.
Alright. Alright, guys, so we're gonna move on now. That is it. Whoa, the car is hot.
Hey, it's hot, guys. I wanna finish this within a minute. Original bananas. But honestly, guys, let me tell you something. I'm so much surprised. Life has changed. Like, wow, everything that we've been buying is like half price. I've been shocked the price of the tomatoes. I used to buy 1 pound, even 450, you know, in Ochi. I don't know because I was living in Ochi or what, but I was so much used to those prices. Right now, it's $100 a pound. Wow, wow. Me not leave. I just wanna get thick and give Jamaican babies. Anyway, guys, I'm joking. It's never that serious because now there's a lot of food. Why not? Because the babies will be having plenty. Plenty of food in Jamaica, so they don't need to worry. What do you think, Kina? Right? That is it. Food for the babies to eat because now holy but food every corner, every organic food, you know the tingo. So they won't cry and complain.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Eh?
I'm hungry. Food is in the house.
And that is it. Yeah, honestly,
Yes,
guys.
here's your change.
So let's go.
Here's your change.
Wow, we left. Wow. Hey, we have so much change. I couldn't even imagine, guys. Wow. All right, Kim.
All right. Hey, don't come across the road, brother. All right, guys. So yeah, so heading into Trench Town.
No. I
Oh,
wanna get some
ice cream. All right. So we're gonna stop off at a second hand Devanos. It's not the first hand. It's a second hand. Yeah. So.
And I get some ice cream.
The washover Devanos ice cream, not the original one. Washed over.
I'm telling you, but it's still nice.
Yeah. Where's the sunlight? Where's the sunlight? Searching for the sunlight. Where's the sunlight, guys? I cannot see. Alright, guys, so we're here, we uptown. Up here is where Dee's gonna get her a knock off Devon out ice. well, it says the Devanos, so you know, it's not all Devanos taste as the original Devanos.
It's not a Gibbon House place.
It is. It said Devanos on the writing,
But it's
But the-
refurbished.
Yes, refurbished Devon House.
Alright.
But the original Devon House is by Hope
You
Road.
guys, I cannot.
Yeah. So see the sign said Devon House. You know, but guys, the queue for the original Devon House is gonna be too much.
So maybe we make the order.
Wow, look at
for the ice cream, right?
Look at the mountains right
Yeah,
there.
it looks so beautiful.
Yeah.
You know, we place the order, then we go this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you know, on Sunday most people uptown they don't cook. They just come out for the food and everything. So just like this, she's not cooking today, so she's buying takeaway. So the different. You're not different, D.
I'm a Jamaican now.
Uptown Jamaican.
I need a bean to throw this.
Where? Come, let's bring it inside. Where can you walk? Wow. Take away.
Can I get a bean, please? That's how things. Wow. Oh.
I'll probably get a. You got fish burger, right?
Yeah, we do.
Alright.
Do you have a name for your order?
Kino. I'm gonna have a fish burger.
Alright, so you want the fish burger fried or grilled?
Fried.
Do you want fries with it?
No.
Anything else for you today?
B, what you having?
Let me see. I can't remember.
Moment of composure.
Hello.
Okay.
And please, not today because I'm not that pretty.
It's alright.
Please, I'm just asking not to embarrass me or something. I'm just going through a bad phase in my life. I know it's not you guys' prerogative, but please understand I'm hungry. And I'm asking, please, if you could assist me to make up my life on please to eat.
Okay.
My name is Michelle Rossier. I saw you guys when you were coming and I was attracted by the way how your composure is. It's beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah?
Alright.
There you go.
Okay, thank you. Could I get one more of this?
One?
I'm not being, you see what I'm saying? I'm not being, your video is good. Could I get one more, please?
No, that's $700 I just gave to
I
you.
love you, but can you give me 1,200 because it's
1,200. I give you what we can afford to give.
I know you answer me politely. Alright, thank you.
All right then. All right. Wow. Bye.
You know, I was like, what?
I was like, wow. I gave you what we could have. It's all right.
You know, it's so kind anyway.
Yeah.
My friend said, give me 2 of these.
I was like, wow.
Give me 1,200.
There's one thing I know in life that be grateful for anything you get.
Yeah.
You know, because you never know what that person's giving you. Don't think they have it, but be grateful. No matter how small it is, though, you know. But she was like, "Can I get one more after $500?" I'm like,
Because it's so it doesn't know you also have a budget.
hey, you know. She's like, "Hey, he's got it." Hey, wow.
Okay, ice cream time.
Knock off. Hello.
What? The coconut?
You got coconut? Can I have one, please?
Ice cream time.
Hey, so this is the Devon house. Devon house. Oh. Sorry. Huh? Yes, single phone, please. See, I almost throw away the receipt. You remember laughing, right?
You know what I'm laughing at?
The lady. Yeah.
It's so funny, honestly.
She's like, can I have 1,200? Can I have one more of these? I'm like, woo.
I nearly said, okay, give me, then I give you. Then we go. I tell her, I want to be grateful.
Remember the guy that was washing the car?
Oh, yeah.
And I gave him, and he saw the money, and I gave him 500,
Yeah.
and he was like, can you tell me about this one and give me the $1,000? I'm like, really? I'm like, really? I just gave you 500. And say, yeah, man, but you see, I have 1,000. Yeah. You guys like what I see with a thousand. Can I get the thousand?
Guys, the best ice cream.
Hey, coconut. Coconut. Want something for you? Where used to be school I used to go?
School of
School of Four. You used to go St. Albans?
Yeah. No, not me. My sister.
You used to go St. Albans?
Yeah.
Oh.
But my youth, around there, so I live.
Around there you live?
Yeah.
Come know your Facebook family. You come from Trenchtown?
Yeah.
Because your Facebook family. Because I'm from Trenchtown. You know like it?
You good?
Yeah.
Keen, I don't like it. Honestly,
Can make them change it.
So weird.
Make them change it.
And them change it if I don't like it. Simple.
Because your Facebook family.
No. I'm from them and town, I come from the same place, St. Albans.
Yes.
The one day I come from.
Because when I look at your face, I remember that same cut right up on your nose, right? Right, the one in the forehead. This one in the forehead, right? Yeah. From long time you have that, right?
Yeah.
From your school days, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I used to go St. Albans too, primary.
Oh.
Yeah, really, man.
Thanks.
Yeah. But I remember your face still. And Nanny Buck?
Yeah.
Nanny Buck, right? Alright, you see? Nanny Buck. So remember the name now? Will you work up here?
Huh? Sir?
You work up here?
Yeah, no. I come from bake something. I know some of my kids, them, and I cook some food for me.
Oh, how much kids you have?
I go up 6.
Alright, give him back that. Give him back that.
Yeah, thanks.
Nanny Buck.
Change it.
Alright, Nanny.
You know I'm a good.
See, remember the name, right? Remember the name, Nanny? I told you, because from see me, I look at you.
Leave one house for me.
Well,
Yeah, why am I really?
Nanny, I remember because I remember her face. I used to go to school. She used to be in around the village, St. Annie's. But she was in Demonton here. I used to see her. I used to trouble her. Call her Nanny Buck. You remember I used to trouble you?
No, sir, a lot of people used to trouble me.
I'm one of them. I used to trouble her. So that's how I remember. You know, I'm like, your face look familiar. You know? Take care, yeah?
Yeah, you too.
Alright.
You know, I used to trouble her.
Yeah.
Wow.
We just run jokes.
Look at that. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Although it's a master, but it looks so fancy.
We just used to run jokes. That's what we used to do, run jokes.
So what's going on? You said we walk on the street?
Alright. But you have to eat that, right? What's the name of this road? Brother, excuse me. What's the name of this road? Barbican Road.
Thank you.
Let me say Barbican. Alright, respect. You hear clean, like so guys. So we're on Barbican Road. So this is where the plaza is. It's called Sovereign North, right? Yeah. This is the Sovereign North. So we're at Sovereign North. These enjoying our coconut ice cream.
No, I'd be like Jamaica.
Hey,
Don't know the tingle.
so we're at the Sovereign North. Over there is where we should order our food. You know, so now she want to go to this vegan. Where you want to go get soap?
Something.
Ital soap. Ital place where them sell vegetarian soaps and them stuff where you can use for your body and everything. Over here is nice as well too. Up there have a nice restaurant up there.
They sell vegan products.
Yeah, vegan products.
Nuts, everything.
Yeah.
And one of the things I love more about the place.
Progressive shopping center.
Oh my goodness, Jesus Christ, help me there.
Oh, no more. Remember the time is hot, so we
They
expect.
give me too much.
Yeah, you want ice cream? You get ice cream.
Look.
It's melting fast, quick and fast. Let me hold this. Big bike. Ice cream you want, ice cream you get.
So big.
Hey.
They give the biggest shares ever in the world.
That's so imagine if you go to Devanos itself. You'll be like, no, this is too much.
This is enough.
Yeah. Like this is too much. Burger King. Oh, where is it? Over here, right? Oh, the
That shop.
Tamarid. No. Burger King is here as well. Well, guy. Come. Look before you cross. There's a bin there. Don't force it. I remember the time I come here and it was closed. Right? It was closed the time that we came here. Wait, it might be closed still. It might be closed.
No, it's not closed. It's open.
It's open? Where is it? Upstairs?
That is too much ice cream. I love ice cream, but not like that. Alright.
Alright, thank you.
She could have gotten that if she came early.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we went there but the place is closed.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's
I'll have
closed.
to come back tomorrow.
Yeah.
But any day I come to this shop.
Yeah, so the vegan place is closed at the one and go, so just come back another day. Burger King. So we're on Barbican Road, heading back up. You know, because the food must be ready by now and everything. Alright.
Finally, I'm back home again.
Home
Sweet
of
home.
reggae music.
I'm telling you, Bob Marley place.
The place to be.
I'm telling you.
Perfect. Boom. Help me that thing. All is well.
Nice to see you too.
Yeah? How would that? I go see how.
I am back.
Yeah.
You guys don't understand. Bob Marley back place. Yeah? You see, I just came with all my bags. The way you go home with everything, same thing.
Same way she come back.
Same way. But today's on a Sunday, it's so chill. You know, it's not so busy, it's really relaxed. That is all?
No, you still have bag here.
I can carry one on my back. This one. Yeah, this is the heaviest. I'm telling you. Oh guys, I am back from transfer. Let me carry my phones and everything so I don't need to come back again. I need to go and rest. After traveling for so long, to go back home to rest. Right, guys? I'll come back for my headphones.
Let me take it out.
Okay. It's is it, guys. It feels so good to be back. With Dream Baby.
Come.
Guys, welcome back. Can I see right here?
That is it.
Wow, chef.
This way. Do you reach home?
I'm telling you, with all my bags and everything.
She finally reached home.
My new home in Trench Town. It's not even new, I'm always here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well.
Well.
Smiley.
Wagwan! Let me say hello to them. This is so much to carry.
Let's go ahead and come back, I say.
Okay, let's go and put everything then come
back. Alright, we are come back.
Yeah. Back to Trenchtown.
More yet? Hey, watch the poo poo.
Wagwan! Where?
Yeah. Alright, people.
Thank you. This guy is back home to the
Yeah, second up for going on and me to support the line, you know.
Hey.
So, shot.
Yeah.
Oh.
Boy.
Are the band must sit out there, sir? The blue.
He's got customers. Customers got his own speak up. They don't even come in.
Yeah, man, respect.
Thank you so much, Boom.
Yeah, man, welcome, man.
He does everything as unto the Lord. And God knows that. Let me tell you something. When you have that mindset, doesn't matter what man.
Yeah, guys, so D is settled down. So, you know, I'm gonna play some football now. You know the thing, play some football. Football time for me. I just ate, my belly feel full. Just ate, my belly feel full, but football time for me, you know. You know it goes already. I have to keep fit. Keep the fit up, keep the fitness up, keep the fitness up, keep the fitness up. That is it. Alright.
I don't care what I know. I'm going to go. Them can't say one down there for me.
That's well.
Can't say what happened, man. I try to rig up for the thing. Can't say one down there for me. Yeah, man. I sit and go and you go there.
No, up, but also, eh? Let me not go there. When you do it?
At the same time, I went a Friday night, Saturday night.
Oh, same time and time we keep it. Remember we keep service.
Yeah. No, man. Friday night, man. I tell you.
Friday with the round here, so.
Yeah, man.
Oh, so while we the round here, so in the right, that's what
I eat this way. I come round and come look, me say everything good after some say I come round. Sometimes I feel you can the board and rent.
Yeah, forget it.
Because I pay for the board.
More money.
It makes sense. Come on, man, I say, I'm out there doing angle, man, come join the group and so.
Yeah. Which is right. Teamwork with the G-work, you know.
Yeah, so we put in and get that done, because if we make a board stake, I'm going to pull on that.
Because the one runner say can't pull on ball tomorrow.
Pull on next day, man. Can't pull on any. Alright, now. All today.
Run a war chef?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
On the same day, cast. I built in that, man. I built in that on the day.
So much thing can board we're going to need? So could I come buy them tomorrow?
Alright, man. Look how I'm going to tell you how much. Oh, no. I have to go around the camera and mention that.
Yeah. So you can just tell me. You can come get them tomorrow.
6 foot ring. 4.
Come could I get them a budget?
6 foot ring.
Could I get them a budget and they...
4 sheep.
No?
You know,
Man, it's a small... I cut it, now. Yeah, I cut it though.
6 foot ring. 6 foot ring, let me use.
Cut them.
6 foot ring.
And get them a budget. A football match in idea and get more and go play a match.
close. Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better